We all just want to live a healthier lifestyle. We all want to eat healthier, and it's not that hard. You just have to form these new habits. You have to change something, right? Because if nothing changes, nothing changes. So change something in your life, but change it for the better. All right, now this whole eating healthy thing does not have to be hard. What I'm gonna do in this video is show you one of the simplest meals you can make that I make all the time, probably once a week. And it is so good. I keep it high protein. It is quick to make, super tasty. You can have it for lunch, dinner, it don't matter. I'm also gonna show you a few snacks that I have throughout the day just to stay ready. Because look, if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. Come on now, I keep saying that. When it's snack time, those snacks can really throw you off, okay? You can be eating healthy all day, but all the snacks that you're eating throughout the day, they add up too, okay? So you gotta make sure you're tracking all these. But I'm gonna show you a few snacks that I eat and a quick way to get some fiber as well. Show you a couple ways to get some fiber that's super tasty. So check it out in this video. And let's start out with the lunch and dinner, because man, this joke is good. Check this out. Okay, now one of my favorite meals to make is tacos, okay? Beef tacos, just so easy to make. You can make them any day. It doesn't have to be Taco Tuesday. Any day of the week you can make them, and they are just so simple. I'm gonna show you the way I make them. That's just, man, it's just so easy and it tastes great. All right, so of course we're gonna start out with our protein. So I always go with 96 lean if I can, somewhere in the 90s. That's where I like to keep it. Okay, so this right here, Laura's beef, coming in at 96 lean beef. If you can't find 96, try to go with 93 or whatever fits into your personal diet, okay? If you want to go 85, it has a little bit more grease, but it's up to you, whichever one you want to go with. Now, as you're cooking the beef, all right, just measure out however much beef you need to make to meet your protein goals. Now, in the beef, what I like to add is this right here, this taco seasoning. This is one of my favorites right here. I've been using this a lot. The Siete, they have a mild. They also have a spicy one if you like a little more spicy, but the mild is really good. So as you're cooking the beef, you just add this to it. And man, it tastes great. It gives it some great flavor. You just add a little bit of this, a little bit of water as it's cooking. The leaner the beef, the less greasier it is, okay? So if you have an 85 beef, that's gonna be a little more greasy. You don't need to add any water. But if not, add a little bit of water as you're cooking it. And one other thing I like to add as well, these frozen peppers, okay? This is the 3 pepper blend. Keep these in the freezer. I've used these in a lot of my meals. These are just a cheat code, especially with beef or chicken. They taste great, all right? You just keep them in the freezer. Add your little bit into the beef as you're cooking it with that seasoning. Stir it around. It doesn't take long to cook, okay? You can add some Tony Chachere's, add some spices if you want to, but that taco seasoning should be all you need to add plenty of flavor. This adds a lot of flavor as well, okay? So you're gonna cook the beef and it's gonna be ready in a few minutes. Beef does not take long to cook, right? And so as you're cooking the beef, I'm gonna show you what shells to use, all right? I want you to go check out these right here, these Siete grain-free taco shells. I found these, man, they're good. Let's look at the nutrition on these, okay? So 2 taco shells is only 130 calories. We got 8 grams of fat, 15 grams of carbs, but 2 grams of fiber, okay? And 1 gram of protein. So they're not high protein, but you're getting your protein from the beef. But I'm telling you, 2 shells, 130 calories. Come on now, you can't beat that. I mean, it's low calorie. All you should need is 2, okay? You can side this with some vegetables if you want to. So avocado is really good to go on these, okay? You get you some healthy fats plus some fiber if you want to put some avocado on there. But I'm trying to tell you, go check these shells out, okay? Simple ingredients. And man, the calories are low. Definitely check out Siete, okay? If you've tried these shells, let me know in the comments. Or what do you like to use on your tacos? What type of shells do you like to use on your tacos as well? That'll really help also, okay? One thing I do like to add on top of my tacos, I've talked about this before, this right here, all right? Taco Bell fire sauce, okay? I'm trying to tell you, if you know about this, you let me know in the comments. Taco Bell fire sauce is super good, all right? It's so good. I add it on all my tacos. I add it on quesadillas. I add it on all kinds of stuff, all right? I keep Taco Bell fire sauce. I used to think Taco Bell, come on now. But man, I'm trying to tell you, it is good. Let me know if you get down with the fire sauce, all right? They also have a Diablo. They have a green sauce. I mean, they have all kinds of different sauces, but Taco Bell fire sauce stays in stock in my house, all right? You definitely have to check this out. It is good. Let me know if you get down with it, all right? Okay, so I know I talked about fiber and getting your protein plus your fiber. It's a great way, of course, getting protein every single day, but also getting your fiber is super important, okay? Let me show you 2 ways. That's a simple way to get your fiber. If you can find these, man, it is like a cheat code, okay? First up, we got Ratio. I always talk about Ratio yogurts. Great way to get your protein. Now, this one is Ratio plus fiber. This joker has 20 grams of protein plus 10 grams of fiber in this little container right here. You're well on your way to hitting your fiber goals. You just have one of these. Plus you're getting your protein. Come on now, can you beat that? No, you can't. Go look for Ratio plus fiber. If your stores can have these, go check them out. This is an easy way to get you some protein, to get you some fiber. And man, these jokers taste great. All right, they got a few different flavors, but keep these in the fridge whenever you're trying to get your fiber, all right? This right here will get you 10 grams. Come on now. Let me show you another way. These right here are a little cheat code. This small bottle right here, 23 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber. And this little bottle right here, right? Super easy way if you got to go to work, if you're on the road, you're taking your kids to school, or you're doing something like that and you're busy, man, grab you one of these. You don't need a spoon, you don't need nothing. Just shake it up and drink it. All right, these are amazing. Okay, they're so easy to pack. I mean, look at how small the bottle is. They're so easy to pack. You're getting your protein, you're getting your fiber, and this can replace something that you shouldn't be eating. All right, so you definitely have to check these out. They are so good, and they come in clutch when it's time to get you a quick snack and you need some protein, you need some fiber, or a breakfast, and you're like, man, I don't have time to cook. You know, kids run around, drive me crazy. I need something quick. You go grab you one of these, all right? It's gonna hold you down. You're gonna get your protein, you're gonna get a little bit of fiber, and it's just a simple way. I'm trying to show you some simple ways so you can stay on track, okay? Because remember, if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready, and we're done making excuses because we're gonna stay ready, all right? So keep these items in stock. I'm trying to tell you, try them out, okay? All right, now let's talk about something else that can really throw off your diet, which is snacking, okay? You grab this snack throughout the day, you grab a handful of this, handful of that. It can really throw off your macros, especially if you're not tracking it. You might think that handful of whatever it is doesn't count, but it definitely counts. And that could be the reason why you're not hitting your goals. Let me show you just a quick and easy snack that you can have. Helps fill you up and just helps get you to the next meal, because that's what snacks are. They're just trying to get you to your next meal. So if you can snack right, instead of starving yourself and then getting to your next meal just starving, this can help hold you up, okay? So check this out. Now go grab you something like this, all right? This LesserEvil popcorn. Popcorn is just a great snack to have. If you pair this with like a carbonated water, your favorite diet soda or something like that, this can definitely help you get to your next meal, all right? 1 cup of this is 40 calories. That's it. Okay, easily track it. 40 calories, come on now, you can fit that into your diet. I want you to go check out this right here. Make sure you measure it out. If you don't have enough control to measure it out, go get the individually packed ones, all right? Now these little guys right here, come on now, there's no more excuses now. So one of these right here is 50 calories. Grab you one of these, take it to work, grab your carbonated water, take it to work, and that's your lunch, all right? This is gonna get you to your next meal, gonna help you stay on track. This is what you're looking for, some stuff to help you stay on track, all right? So there's no more excuses. I'm trying to give you options to have so you don't have any more excuses. Oh, well, you know, I had to go get this and that from the vending machine, and no more vending machine. You're gonna stay ready with these, okay? Okay, now one more of my favorite snacks I like to have. I like to keep in stock. I've talked about these before. If your store has, go find these right here. Catalina Crunch, these yogurts right here. 1 serving is 10 grams of protein. Such a quick and easy way to get you some protein, and these taste great, all right? There's different flavors. I like the spicy. They have a traditional, this is the cheddar. Come on now, there's all kinds of different kind of flavors, but 10 grams of protein, measure out 1 serving. Get your Ziploc bag, measure out 1 serving, which is 1/3 cup, okay? So put 1 serving in a Ziploc bag. When you buy the bag, just measure out a bunch of servings, okay? And that's what you're gonna take with you so you can easily measure it. Don't just take this bag with you. You're gonna eat too much of it, all right? You can be trying to eat this whole bag on accident. Okay, so make sure you measure it out. That's what I like to do. When I get these bags, I like to grab some Ziploc bags, grab me some measuring cups, and I just measure out everything at one time. And that's what I take with me whenever I'm going to work. I'm going to drop the kids off at school. You know, I just stay ready with this, okay? So there you have it. There's the lunch and the dinner. The tacos, you have to go try those tacos. They are so good, all right? Almost can't get any easier to make them. All you need is beef. The peppers are optional, but I like adding the peppers. That seasoning, if you can't find that seasoning, find your own taco seasoning, make it whatever you want to do, it don't matter. I just found that Siete taco seasoning is an easy way to flavor the meat quick. I'm always looking for quick meals. Throw those shells in the oven and you can have you a quick meal. Let me know if you've tried those shells before, okay? Because you can't beat the macros. The calories are low. You can make you a low calorie, high protein meal, lunch or dinner in minutes. These are just options. Make sure you look for that Taco Bell fire sauce. Go try that sauce. If you haven't tried it, just go give it a shot. I think you're gonna like it. I mean, I had to try it. I tried it and I haven't gone back since. So definitely want to show you all that. If you need some fiber, look for those yogurts plus the fiber. There's also other ways you can get your fiber too as well, but that's an easy way to get your protein plus your fiber. I'm just trying to show you easy options that you can keep in stock so you don't make any more excuses, all right? No more excuses. And you have to, if you keep your kitchen stocked properly, if you keep your fridge and your pantry stocked properly, no more excuses, because you don't have any more excuses. You can't go to the pantry and grab you a snack you shouldn't be having. You know why? Because it's gone, because you got rid of it and you replaced it with something else. You can't go to the fridge and grab something you shouldn't be grabbing. Why? Because it's not in there. All right, because you took it out and you replaced it with something that's better for you, something that's healthier for you, and it's something that's going to help you reach your goals. All right, so that's what I'm trying to show you, is ways to stay on track, ways to hit your goals, whatever those goals are. We all just want to live a healthier lifestyle. We all want to eat healthier, and it's not that hard. You just have to form these new habits. You have to change something, right? Because if nothing changes, nothing changes. So change something in your life, but change it for the better. And let me know how these options help you. And I'm going to talk to y'all next time. Let's go.